gonna let some 60-year-old woman do something? No.
Where are you at? Where are you at, Linda?
Get in here. Everything's too hot, too cold, too hot, too cold. Get in here. Take your shoes off. Get in here. I'm in a TV show. I'm a movie star. I'm a movie star. Come on, James. Come on.
So where are you?
I don't know.
What are you in?
A lake?
A creek. It's Plum Creek.
Come on, what are you being?
Laura Ingalls sat right there on that bank. She sat right here on Big Rock and wrote.
Come on.
Right here. That little girl, that old lady, that young woman.
The 1800s, they called that Big Rock.
Yeah.
2 kids. Come on. Do I have to?
Yep.
Really?